The time to discover the secrets of ancient Egypt has finally come. The world's most celebrated archaeologist and former Minister of State for Antiquities in Egypt, Dr. Zahi Hawass, has been uncovering the mysteries of ancient Egypt all his life. And now, he's coming to the United States on his first ever Grand Lecture Tour in May and June of 2023 to reveal them all. And you won't want to miss it. Join the real-life Indiana Jones for an epic journey of exploration and discovery. Don't miss out on this unforgettable evening as Dr. Hawass reveals the most closely guarded secrets of ancient Egypt and presents his groundbreaking new discoveries and latest research live on stage. As the man behind all major discoveries in Egypt over the last few decades and director of several ongoing archaeological projects, Dr. Hawass may yet surprise you with unexpected revelations that will make news across the world. Get an exclusive insight into Dr. Hawass's greatest discovery, the Lost Golden City, which is considered one of the most important archaeological discoveries of modern times. Learn about the groundbreaking new findings among the pyramids and explore the mysteries of the Great Sphinx. Are there secret tunnels underneath this enigmatic monument? Are we close to finding the lost tomb of Khufu, the builder of the greatest of all of the pyramids? It's time to reveal the mystery behind the sudden death of King Tutankhamun and find out about the latest findings from the largest excavation ever undertaken in the Valley of the Kings in search of Queen Nefertiti. But that's not all. Dr. Hawass will also discuss new discoveries at Saqqara, home to Egypt's very first pyramid, the Step Pyramid, and will give you exclusive insight into the present work on the hunt for the long-lost tomb of Cleopatra and Mark Antony. A mystery thousands of years in the making may now be close to being solved. The many secrets of ancient Egypt have been hidden for centuries, and now Dr. Zahi Hawass is ready to reveal them all. Register now and discover the stories of ancient Egypt. www.zahilectures.com